petition filed by me before the Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa challenging the lifetime cabinet status given to former Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane was admitted by the Honorable High Court on the 25th of April, and it was fixed for hearing today on interim relief. However, as one of the judges was on leave today, the matter could not come up for hearing today. So the court has agreed to hear the matter on Wednesday, 4th of May, which is day after tomorrow. Now, in my petition, I have placed everything before the Honorable High Court. I have said that this full lifetime cabinet status given to Pratap Singh Rane is unconstitutional, not in accordance with law, and has to be set aside. I have challenged that notification, given the court all details. In fact, the court now will have to examine as to how officers were party to that cabinet decision taken on 7th of January this year. And that cabinet decision on 7th of January this year states that Mr. Pratap Singh Rane is being honored on his completion of 50 years as MLA, which is totally untrue. Mr. Pratap Singh Rane would have completed 50 years as MLA only on the 25th of March this year if he had to contest the February 14th elections and if he had got elected. So the government has falsely stated in that cabinet decision that Mr. Pratap Singh Rane has completed 50 years as MLA, which is totally untrue. I am also surprised that when the cabinet met on 6th of January this year to take that decision, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, who is the son of Pratap Singh Rane, was also party to that resolution. In fact, propriety demanded that Mr. Vishwajit Rane, being in conflict of interest, should have abstained from taking part, at least on that issue, in that cabinet meeting. So anyway, this is for the court to judge the whole situation. Now, Mr. Pratap Singh Rane, by virtue of being accorded lifetime cabinet status, he is entitled to 18 staff. Besides that, he is entitled